Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here it doesn't really matter that if we will on the photo or the video mode, but after tapping on the video and after, let's say, learning and the options, you will be able to change the resolution using this ratio icon. But let's first of all enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and here in the video size, in the video section, we've got the video size. So let's enter. And as you can see right here, we've got particular resolutions from which we can choose. And next to it, right here, we've got the ratio. So the option which we can change from the video level in the camera. So that's why I told you about changing the resolution, actually by changing the ratio. As you can see, different ratios are connected with different resolutions. So if you will learn how they look like, then you won't have to get into those settings. So let me focus on the resolution itself. So we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Currently, we've got the option with the ratio 1:1. And in order to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So for example, 16:9 or even 2K. And in particular resolutions, you will be able to pick the frame. As you can see, in 2K, we've got only 30 frames per second. The 60 frames per second is inactive. But on the other hand, for example, by picking 1:1, we can choose the 60 frames per second. It of course depends on the resolution. Basically, if you will have the option applied, marked, it means that it is applied. And from now on, your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.